sharks have a fascinating birthing process that takes place deep in the ocean. When the time comes, a female horn shark lays her eggs inside a protective casing known as a mermaid's purse. These purse-like structures are composed of tough material that safeguards the developing embryos until they hatch. While the mermaid's purse provides essential protection, the mother often hides them among rocks or attaches them to underwater plants for added security. After several months, the baby horn sharks emerge by wiggling their way out of the purse, fully equipped with all the distinctive features of their species. They sport small, sharp horns on their heads, which give them their name. As these horns grow more prominent, the young sharks begin their journey alone, hunting for small fish, crustaceans, and mollusks in their deep